Hey guys, today we'll be making a cute and adorable Ruffle Scrunch Christmas Deco Mesh Wreath. What you will need, I have an 18-inch wreath ring, 10-inch Deco mesh, Chanel stems, scissors or a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I've done is cut my mesh into 8-inch long pieces, and I've cut my stems into thirds. Alright, so there are a couple of ways to add your mesh. You could place the stems first, or you can place them with the bundles. I've honestly done it both ways. Both work just fine, so it's just personal preference. This time I'm actually going to place the stems with my bundles. So I'm going to go with 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle. So I'm going to place my first piece, and I'm going to alternate. My second piece. And this time I'm going to overlap them one on top of the other. You can place them like halfway if you choose to do so. I usually do that more so with the 6-inch mesh as opposed to the 10-inch mesh, but it works fine with both. Then I'll get one more of my buffalo plaid. So I have all 3 pieces layered. I'm just going to scrunch in the center. Just like that. Take my third of a stem and place it around the center of my bundle. And then I'm going to twist it a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then I'm going to place it on the center ring. Again, other alternatives. You can place it on each ring, or you can just go with the center, or you can even use a longer stem and place it on the outer 2, inner 2, outer 2, inner 2. Whichever way you prefer. I'm going to just go with the center ring this time around. Place my bundle and twist it a couple of times, then tuck it away. The more bundles we get placed, the more we'll be able to kind of adjust and maneuver it. Alright, so again, I'm alternating. So the next bundle, I'm going to start with my black, and then I'll layer my burlap on top, and then my black again. Scrunch in the center. Take my stem, place it around my bundle, twist it a couple of times, and then place it on my center ring. And then tuck it away. I'm going to start with only 2 bundles in each section, and then once I place all of them, I can see if I want to adjust. But I feel like 2 bundles in each of my 8 sections with 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle is going to look just fine. Alright, let's get a few more bundles placed and I'll show you what it's looking like. All of our bundles placed, we'll be able to kind of flare it out and fluff it up a little bit more. So I wouldn't worry about it too much right now. Mesh in place. Now I'm just going to go around and separate and fan and flare out my layers. So I have 3 layers in each bundle, so I just want to kind of flare those out a little bit. This is optional. If you like for it to stay more flat, you can keep it that way as well, but this just kind of fluffs it up a little bit more. So I'm going to do that all the way around my wreath, both sides of my bundles. Alright, I'm just doing some final adjustments. It looks so cute and precious. You can finish it up here. This is actually what I'm going to do, but you could also add any additional embellishments, ribbons, bows, sign to the center, whatever you would prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own, but it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.